Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from, well, first of all, I was watching Kimbo Creation, and she had showed a haul, I think, and she got inspired by Miss D, from Miss D Special Things. But anyway, so Kim from Kimbo's Creation was talking about some dies and stamps, and from the cat's Meow, and I had been on that shop before, but I never ordered anything, and so I was watching what she had, and I was like, oh, I gotta get those. Because, you know, I am a Julie Nutting girl. You know, I had a Julie Nutting collab. So I wanted to get the new ones. I don't get all the releases, but I get the ones that I like. And I like these travel themed girls. So and Miss D's making a book out of it, a journal book. I have one that I'm working on. It's a little bit different, but she has one that's different too. But I love to do stuff like that with these girls. I got to finish my book. I have like 12 more pages in my book to finish. But anyway, this is Gabriella, and it's 8-piece, and they got to me really fast, and I think I ordered this off of PayPal. And this is Madeline. This is Kayoko, and look at that print. I love Asian theme. And this is Imani. So I just thought they were so cute. Oh, and they sent me their stickers. I did not order this, so I guess this was a gift because I didn't order this little sticker sheet, which is great because I am in the Gorgeous Girl and Pure Innocence collab. So that was pretty cool to get these stickers. I can always use them. And let me see. She wrote me a note up here. Yep, it's enjoy the free gift. And so this is the rest of the stuff. So anyway, I'm sorry. This is the other half. Like I said, I don't know where I stopped at. I apologize. These are stickers they gave me as a free gift, which was really cool because I'm in a Gorgeous Girl collab. This is the Photo Play paper crane. And I hauled this paper pad, well, the little paper kit from Hobby Lobby, the $10 kit with the 12 sheets in it. So I ordered the die set, but they sent me the stamp set because when I was on the site, they were out of the stamps, but they sent me, and so I ordered the dies, and I was going to order the stamps from somewhere else, but they sent me the stamp set. So I need to go up there and see if they still have the die set and let them know they sent me the wrong one to see if there's a difference in the price. But I still like those, so I was going to get those anyway. But I did order the dies according to this piece of paper. And then I also ordered the ephemera pack, which I thought was really cool too. And see, I love those colors. And I love the girl. Although they make the Asian girl really, really light. Like she almost doesn't have any color to her skin. Her skin almost looks white on the paper the paper line. Then I like this one, the Travel Girl. I like this little 9-piece set. And I like the stamps. And it says, imagination can carry us to worlds everywhere. The world is waiting for you. This way. And I like the cute little postcard. And the glasses. I just think she looks cute with the little glasses on. That's a spread your wings. So, you know, I just thought it was a cute set as well. And then I thought these two were really cute. So again, like I said, I'm in a Gorgeous Girl collab and Pure Innocence collab with Jamie, Poet Spice. We showcase our projects the second Thursday of each month. But I like these because I just like the size. One, these can be done in your bottle caps. So I thought that was really cute because of the size of these 9 right here. Excuse me, 12, can't count. And they all have different sayings on them, like the names of the stamps. You brought love, dreaming, summer days, jar of hearts, little love, little fishes, fly away with me, I stole your heart. And then these are a little bit bigger. So you can use these. They also have character, and you can use these for different items as well. So I just thought it was different instead of having a whole shape. I thought it would make it more challenging to try something with that as well. So that is my haul from Cat's Meow. So check them out as well. So I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.